Itu repeated news na hogina naga manu sob brapi janibole thakia tuli India government khan bra free movement regime hatai digina fencing lagai di shekoli naga manu bodur area te bishi duk pawole asa aro naga manu macheti phag kubule napara laga bishi dangor issue anibole thakia witness kubo pare ase itu karni naga national workers civil societies student bodies aro alag alag jadi khan bra oppose kurgena ja thakia homoiti Khemnungan Tribal Council KTC Khanpi Central Government Khanbra Free Movement Regime Indo Myanmar border area ti hatai gena fencing lagabole decision loi thaka opor accept krubole naparibo koi dia ase Khemnungan Tribal Council khan laga release ti Government of India Khanbra FMR hatai dili Khemnungan jati machete oneness phangbole thaka koi dia ase kili 46 Khemnungan Naga Bosti India side te thaka ase aro 182 opor Khemnungan Bosti under Myanmar side ti settle kugena thaka issue point out kugena KTC khan tu accept kubole naparbo koi dia ase itu karni both India Myanmar side ti settle kugena predominantly agriculture opor depend kugena life settle koi thaka major part of traditionally jum cultivation khanpi sob harai jai gina zero hoi jabole thaka issue ti central government khan laga decision opor Khemnungan Tribal Council khanpi totally against kuri dia ase ai thaka lok sabha election karni political party machete development story ani thaka pa sabtu Delhi Chief Minister Arvind laga statement ti BJP khan taike request kurgena party join kurbole koi thaka junai dia ase aro Am Admi Party MLA khan ki BJP join karni phuslai thaka koi dia ase Arvind laga statement ti BJP party khan bra tai ki BJP join kushe koili kunbra pi disturb trouble na kurbo koi dishe ko ase hulipi tai kitapi bow down na kurbo itu karni ki kurbole mon ase grivi go gina Arvind jawab di thaka statement pailu ase crime branch official khanbra chief minister opor Saturday din notice serve kugena within 3 days macheti reply krubole address kura sabti kita BJP party khan Am Admi Party khan ki approach thakse itu oporte details logena address kuri thaka koi dia ase aro BJP party khan tu chief minister laga statement oporte mishamshi baseless koi dia ase itu karni police khan tu senior APP leaders khan ki assistance logena BJP khan bra approach kurgena thakya MLA khan laga nam janilo bole khobor dia ase khobor pai thakya sabti chali kanriti forest fire karni 51 jon laga jan harai jagena state of emergency declare kurdisha aro manu laga jan harai jai thakya opurti aro uthi jabo nishna ase kokena authorities khan jonai dia ase sources te jui hatsatu coastal city phale ulai jagena city sob dunga hoi jasha aro region manukhan sob nijor laga gor chargena polai thakya Chali president Gabriel Jonai dia ase itu karni affected area ti necessary resources khan logina military unit deploy kuri dishe ko ase khobor hisabte itu forest fire chalite ulai ja toli welding kam kuri thakya tamti accidentally fire spread hoi jagina tatebra surkur disha aro ajikali kanriti summer heat wave 33 degrees celsius record kurgena ja thakya tamti inika emergency situation ulaigena ja thakya 43000 hectare chulai disha aro count krubole napara laga property khan bishi chulai dishe kogena report pailu ase khobor hisabti Assam Rifle khan North State Fitorti December January moina fitor 4428.314 ton of contraband items value of 150 crore lagadam sisku dishe kogena report dia ase Assam Rifle khan la data hisabti illegal Ericanut Myanmar side bra ani thakya 2712.0 704 ton value of 95 crore Manipur state ti seize kurigena 1032.96 ton estimate value of 37 crore Nagaland state aro 682.65 ton approximately 24 crore of rupees lagadam Mizoram state ti Assam Rifle Khan Jasal seize kudishe koigena khobor dia ase aro opportunity Assam Rifle Khan tu smugglers khan illegal trade kuri thakya aro India Myanmar registered alag gari khan pi bishi recover kurgena itu salpi Manipur state Kamjon district ti estimate of 82.54 crore of rupees lagadam Manipur state bhitor ti seize kurgena operation kuri thakya report dia ase